Hi guys, this is Evrim Bass, the stone guy. We are at Brokan Marble and Travertine production factory today. They are one of the biggest travertine production factory in Turkey. We are going to show you the travertine tiles production from the block. Let's go. We are at the block yard now. If you remember from our previous video, we took these blocks out from the quarry. Now we're going to take to the blocks to the ST block cutter and we're going to cut them to slabs. After the slab format, we're going to show you the production of the travertine tiles step by step. Let's go. Blocks, they go to ST block cutter. Under the ST block cutter, they get cut to 30mm slabs. Afterwards, these 30mm slabs, they got splitted to the half. Each slab has 15mm thickness. These 15mm thickness slabs, they go to honing machine and they get honed. Afterwards, they go to filling lines, because they need to fill the holes. This filling material contains kaolin, cement and calcite. They mix these three materials and with this mixture they send it to filling machine. In the filling machine, the stone covered with that mixture. This mixture they leave to dry 1 day if the season is summer, 3 days if the season is winter. To clean and scrapping the filling material, it goes to another honing line and calibration line. In that line, the material gets scrapped and calibration completes. Now our tiles are ready to cut the size. So it goes to the sizing machine, sizing line, and they got to the measures required. A final process before packaging is the selection line. Selection line in the factories is one of the most important line because the people there, they select the stone color to color and the size of the filler to filler. In the selection lines, around 6 people works there and 3,000 tiles pass by every day. So they have to be really fussy and particular about the colors. These people on the selection lines, they pack the materials selection by selection. Sometimes you might get 20 different selections and they are really careful about the selections contains in the same crate. So we have to get same selection in the same crate. Reason of that, when end user purchase the product, they want everything consistent and selected batch. So the color difference or tonality difference wouldn't disturb and it wouldn't look odd. After the production line, if the fillers are not filled 100%, they are filled manually here with the same mixture of the kaolin, cement and the calcite. They just put on the holes and then after that, even like corners, like if there is little corner broken, they wouldn't waste it. They put that mixture here and they finish off with spray and they fix them. Finally, our production ended and we got end products here. You can see this is the vein cut travertine. Vein cut travertine is the travertine which is cut to the water roots. So they are cut to the water roots, that's why you can see this water effect. If they are cut against the water roots, then it's called cross-cut travertine. As you can see here, this is the big boy cross-cut travertine. There is no water roots. Also, if they don't fill the holes and if they do brush finish, this is the end product. Unfilled, you can see holes here and they are not filled. Unfilled brush travertine, and just to give the chiseled edge effect, they just chiseled here with the chains in the machine. So it's called unfilled, brushed and chiseled edge travertine. As you remember, like we fill the holes with the cement, calcite and kaolin mixture. Here you go, you can see this here. All the holes, they are filled and they are like matching with the background color, and you can't fill the holes. They look like natural effects. All the hard work paid off again. Our products are ready behind me in the crates and ready for the end users. And our productions ended. All the products, they got packed and put in our stockyard, and everywhere in different sizes travertines, they are ready to export to all around the world. We were at Brokan Marble and Travertine Factory today to show you travertine tiles productions. First of all, thank you to Brokan Marble for their hospitality. Also, thank you guys to watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button and follow me on Instagram. Have a nice and natural day. Thank you.